Welcome back to another tutorial. Customer sends you a purchase order, and because they've made a handwritten correction, you can't get it into your ERP system. Let me show you a very quick and simple solution. Go to extract.ai app and either create a new template or use the one you already have. Click Settings under Delivery Date, and under Details, check the Prioritize Handwritten over Printed Text. Now upload your document and watch the magic happen. And just like that, your data with the handwritten correction is ready for download in any format you prefer. You can now seamlessly transfer it into your ERP system. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Subscribe for more videos on how to automate your workflow, and I'll see you in the next one.